Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up the HubSpot Conversations Inbox. To get started, open HubSpot and go to the home screen. This is the main dashboard where you can access the tools you need, including the CRM and inbox settings. If you are already logged in, you should land here automatically. Take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded before moving on, so all navigation options are visible and easy to access. Next, move your mouse over the CRM option in the left-hand navigation menu. Hovering over CRM will reveal additional tools and sections connected to your customer communication and relationship management. This menu is where HubSpot organizes many of the features you will use regularly, so it is helpful to become familiar with where these options appear. Once the CRM menu opens, click on Inbox. This will take you to the Conversations Inbox area where incoming messages and communication channels can be managed. The inbox is designed to help teams organize conversations in one place, making it easier to respond to customers and track communication across channels. When the inbox page opens, select the sample inbox shown on the screen. This step brings you into the specific inbox you will be configuring. If your account contains multiple inboxes, choosing the correct one is important so that your chat setup is applied to the right workspace. Double check that you are in the intended inbox before continuing. From there, click on Chat. This opens the live chat setup area within the inbox, where you can configure how chat will appear and function for visitors. This section is used to create a messaging experience for your website, so you are now moving from the inbox view into the actual chat setup process. Next, click on Web. Choosing Web means you are setting up chat for use on your website rather than another channel. This option is typically used when you want website visitors to be able to start a conversation directly from your site. Make sure this matches the channel you want to use before proceeding. Finally, click Next, and then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. HubSpot will guide you through the remaining configuration steps, which may include customizing the chat appearance, deciding who receives incoming messages, and reviewing your settings before publishing. As you go through these screens, read each option carefully so your inbox works the way you want from the beginning. That's it. You have now started the process of setting up the HubSpot Conversations Inbox and launching web chat through the correct inbox settings.